how are you today? I'm so happy to see you again. And today we are going to make rain. Yeah, look at this. We're going to see how to do this. This is a new and the last experiment of the whole year. The nice? Okay, let's do it. See the materials. For today we are going to use a jar like this. This is glass jar. And we need a plate, some ice, and hot water. But this hot water, you cannot use it. Your mom needs to have to use it, okay? Let's do it. We're going to drop some hot water inside of the yard. Yeah? Okay. And then we are going to put the plate on the top. And then we're going to put some ice cube on the top. And look what is going on. It's raining inside. If you see, the water is coming out and touch the cold area, and then the rain starts. You see? Wow! There's a lot of rain. Nice! So do it at home. Bye bye. Have a nice day.